Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel WSO2 Bytes. In our previous video, we have seen the application level rate limiting which is applied on application basis in API Manager. We will continue about rate limiting scenarios, and in this video will help you to understand the subscription level rate limiting via demo as well. So let's start. Here is the quick agenda for this session. We'll see about subscription level rate limiting, the key concept and how to apply the same. We'll see how to create a new subscription policy, and finally a demo. So, subscription level rate limiting is typically considered as a business plan to be applied on an application. This means, as an API subscriber, one must have a quota defined as subscription level. This typically helps in restricting the clients on their quota despite of the backend capacity. So, subscription level rate limiting policy can be applied when an application is subscribing to an API. There are scenarios when an application is subscribing to multiple APIs, so we can define the quota during the subscription process. So, this tier visibility can be controlled via the publisher portal. So, how to apply the same? So, we can apply the policy via the developer portal when an application is going to subscribe the API. Also, we have a developer portal RESTful APIs which we can use programmatically for subscription purpose. So, how to create the new policy? Creation of the new policy is an administration task. So, if we have a custom requirement beyond the out-of-the-box rate limiting policy, we can use the administration portal, which is admin portal of API Manager, to create a new policy. Here is the typical screenshot which you can see over here, that in the left navigation panel we have a subscription policy. If we open that, we will see different out of the box or the default policies which is provided by API Manager, and we can click on create new policy option and we'll open this form. So all these things we'll see in today's demo as well. So as I have in our previous videos, I have explained about the rate limiting flow. So in our previous tutorial, we have seen about the application level rate limiting. In this tutorial, we will be going to see a demonstration of the subscription level rate limiting. So without taking too much time, let's start the demo. So we are starting the demo. I have logged into the publisher portal. We'll take this API for this particular demonstration purpose. So to see what all subscription policies are available, just click on the subscriptions tab and we'll see all the business plans or the subscription policies which are available. But the question is from where these policies are coming and how to change or add new policy. So if we go to the admin portal and go to the subscription policies, just click on subscription policy and we'll be able to see a lot of policies are there. There are some async policies which is applicable to async APIs. We'll not talk about those for this particular demo. So let's focus on gold, silver, bronze, unlimited, and there is one more policy which I have created, which is a custom policy, which is 7 per minute. Okay, now we'll quickly go to the developer portal and we'll create a new application. So rate limit subscribe. Okay, we'll keep the quota, let's say 20 per minute. Okay, so this application level policy is 20 per minute. Now let's go to subscriptions. So if we go here, we have multiple tiers available. So how to control them? We just go to a publisher portal. Let's say I want only these 3 policies. Just click on save, go back to publisher portal, repeat the step again, and we'll see here only 3 policies are available. So this is how these policies are controlled. So for this demo, let's keep it unlimited, and this has been subscribed. Go to the production keys, generate the keys, keep all the configuration as default, and our keys are generated. Just copy these keys and we'll go to the Postman for testing the API. So for get token, we have this basic code, which is our client ID and the client secret. Okay, so let's hit the request. So the token has been generated. We'll go to click menu. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So this is what the policy has been set at application level. What happens next? Okay, the message has been throttled out, that is rate limiting, which HTTP 429. Okay, that means if we go back to our slide and we'll see this application level throttling has happened. Why? Because the subscription level throttling has been passed. So the subscription policy which we have set is, this is unlimited. Now we are going to make the changes. Okay, so we'll just select over here the new business plans. We'll save the configuration. We'll go to the developer portal, just edit this. Okay, so we have to remove this subscription. We have to subscribe it again with 7 per minute. Cool. So now a new subscription policy has been attached. Now as per this particular flow, it should stop after 7 requests. Though the application level throttling is 20, but the subscription level throttling is 7. So now we'll repeat the step again. Okay, so quickly we'll go to generate the token. So the token has been generated. There are some scripting done which attaches that particular token in this particular API, so don't get confused on that. So we'll start first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh. This is done. Now let's see what happens next. So the message has been throttled out. That means our subscription level rate limiting policy has been successfully applied despite of the application level quota. Okay, now we'll quickly see in admin portal how to create a new policy. So this policy I have already created, so you can just click on this add policy screen to fill this particular form. We have to provide a logical name, the description of the policy, the request count. We can define the quota limit based upon the request count, request bandwidth, or for event based for async API we have a different configuration. Okay, event count and the unit time. Similarly for the burst control, at particular instance how many requests can be handled by API manager, this is what we can define. This is for the GraphQL webhooks, and we'll keep it as default. Along with we must the policy flag which is stop on quota reach. Okay, so let's go back to our configuration which we have created. 7 per minute test policy, 7 requests per minute. This is 7.1 and this is how it works actually. Okay, so in this tutorial we have seen that we have created a new subscription rate limiting policy, and as per the rate limiting flow it has successfully applied. So thank you very much. For your time in checking out this video, and stay tuned for my upcoming tutorials on WSO2. Please do subscribe to my channel to show your support, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get a notification of my upcoming videos. Please do share this channel with anyone looking for learning WSO2 with the structured contents.